Good evening, everyone, and happy Friday. We are at Boom City Breaks, and tonight is August the 4th, and we are breaking Hit Parade Autograph Baseball Jersey Series 12. It's a 2-box break. It is box 88 of 100 and a box 41 of 100. We did random team sales, as you can see to the right. We have already randomized customers and the teams. We then alphabetized the customers so everyone could see who they had a little bit easier. Gave them all ample opportunity to trade, and here we go. We gonna break your seal, bust the pops. Alright, they're just getting their final trades done, but somebody gonna be pissed because that was one of them their teams that was traded, folks. And you know what? That is going to be a licensed jersey, because that has the AJ Sports Certificate and everything from AJ is licensed products. One of the things I really love about seeing their stuff as well, guys. Mr. Alex Rios. Alex Rios, Toronto Blue Jays Majestic jersey, folks. Man, it is a nasty looking patch, guys. It is signed on a jersey and the front of the jersey. You all, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful looking jersey, guys. But I do believe that was one of the teams that was just traded, right? And they tried to trade him, but they didn't take it. Yep, he tried to trade him. So that is Matt in a Newport hit. Yeah, I pull a lot of Toronto, man. Yeah, I don't know why I would have tried to trade them. That's like trading Toronto in hockey. When I'm breaking, that's a no-no. I actually got to write Matt in Newport because we got a few Matts now. Here we go. We go on to our second box, which is box 41. Once again, we did random team sales for this break. We'll try the old X this time. Guys, we have not done our X in a long time. Pops of your seal. It feels like a heavy box. Well, let's get that tag out of the way, man. That's what I hate sometimes when they put the JSAs there. Oh, Bob Gibson, folks. That is going to be a Bob Gibson. Pretty legible signature, actually. One of the few guys you able to read there, folks. Gonna look at that, baby. A Cardinals jersey. It's a custom. A nice custom. The Cardinals are a bit ugly there, but nice quality jersey. She's a heavy one, I'll tell you. The material's nice and thick at least. St. Louis Fuego. Fuego's had a little bit of luck since joining our room last week. Alright, just going to wrap up that 2-boxer. You all have a good one. Join me, Government Cheese, Gatsby, J-Bo, T-Roy, and Pooh Bear. as we break all forms of memorabilia starting about 8 p.m. Central, whether it be YouTube, Breakers.tv, Twitch. Boom City Breaks is the place to be. Have a good one.